Getting 480 volts blasted through your house wiring is a massive electrical nightmare nobody wants to face, but if it happens, here's what you gotta know to handle the mess like a pro. Okay, so first off, if you ever find yourself dealing with a voltage overload like 480 volts running through circuits meant for way less, don't freak out, but do take it seriously. Start by cutting power to everything. Immediately pull the main breaker or call the utility company to disconnect power. Next, unplug all your devices and remove light bulbs so nothing's connected when you start testing. Use a megohmmeter to test all wiring insulation because residential wiring usually handles up to 300 volts max, and at 480 volts, insulation likely got fried. Test between hot and neutral, then neutral and ground at 500 volts for at least 1 minute each. This will show if wires got damaged. Any wire that shows resistance below code minimums has got to be replaced, no exceptions. Also, check all switches, dimmers, and ground fault circuit interrupters, since arcing or voltage spikes can ruin them. Finally, any appliances or electronics that were plugged in during the surge probably need replacing unless their power supplies are rated for higher voltages. Motors running during the surge? They're probably done for too. One of the biggest mistakes people make after a surge like this is assuming everything's fine because nothing visibly exploded or tripped right away. First, ignoring insulation damage can cause shorts or fires. Later, always test with a megger. Second, not replacing damaged breakers or GFCIs can leave your system unsafe. These parts protect you and your home from electrical faults, so swap them out if there's any doubt. Third, trying to power on appliances or lights before checking their power supplies can fry your stuff even more. The fix? Always inspect and test each part carefully, replace questionable breakers and switches, and only reconnect appliances once you're sure the system's safe. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with complex electrical fixes like this. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get connected with homeowners who need serious help on projects that demand experience and care.